Hello, welcome to Money with Mark Albert. Today we're just going to talk about the difference between closing costs and down payment when you purchase a home. They're both very, very important, and if you don't get the numbers right, you won't be able to close the home. You won't be able to purchase it. So let's talk about it and make sure that that is clear. So closing costs is your cost that allows you to take possession of the home. And there's a number of things there. There's lawyer fees, appraisals, land transfer tax. In Ontario, which I'm located in Ontario, we have a provincial land transfer tax. And if you buy a house in Toronto, you have to add a municipal land transfer tax. You get doubly taxed if you buy in Toronto. So the standard is about 1.5% of the purchase price. That's the standard closing cost. So let's say if you buy a $500,000 condo, 1.5% is $7,500. So you need to make sure you have at least $7,500 there. Now that's variable, so it may go a little higher, maybe a little lower. So it's not a fixed amount, this 1.5. So make sure you talk to your mortgage specialist or mortgage broker about that to make sure you're clear. If you don't have a mortgage broker, you could contact me if you're in the Greater Toronto area. My contact information is below. I'll be happy to work this through with you. So closing costs is important. It's needed. If you don't have enough money to close on the day it's supposed to close, if you can't pay the lawyer those closing costs, the lender is not going to lend out the money. So it's pretty significant, right? So what is down payment? Down payment really is the equity you are putting into the home. It's basically the amount that you would own. So these are the numbers. So if you were to get with an A lender, which is all the big banks, many other banks, trust companies, some credit unions. As a broker that I represent, I have access to so many of them, so I can shop the market. So if you don't have anyone to help you with that, I'd be happy to help you. So this is the deal, right? So if you bought a $500,000 home and you were with an A lender, you would be able to get it with a minimum of 5% down. 5% down of $500,000 is $25,000. So then you would need $25,000 plus that $7,500 or so for closing costs. You need to have that all available. And in the underwriting process, the lender is going to want you to validate that these resources are available to you. So let's say you buy a home that's more expensive than $500,000. So you can put a minimum of 5% down on the first $500,000. Everything beyond $500,000, it's a minimum of 10%. So basically from $500,000 to $1 million, you have to put at least 10% down for that amount. Of course, the first $500,000, 5% minimum. So if you were to buy a home that's more expensive than $1 million, every dollar above and beyond $1 million is going to be a minimum of 20% down needed. Okay? So some lenders are going to request a bit higher an amount, depending on circumstances, but those are the minimum numbers, just for your reference. Listen, I trust this was helpful to you. If you do need someone to help you on a mortgage, I'd be happy to work with you if you're in the Greater Toronto area. Listen, have a great day and stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.